Alright, so this is a video for Minuet polyphonic version by J Krieger, and it's in 3/4. So you count to 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so first thing to talk about is you have a lot of these dyads. Alright, so your dyads are 2-note chords. Alright, so you're going to be hitting those at the same time. Now, you may notice that the notes on the bottom and sometimes on the top of the dotted half notes, which are 3 counts by themselves. What that means is you're going to be ringing out that note while you play the rest of the measure. Alright, so in the first measure, notice how this note is still ringing. So that's what that means. Second measure. Alright, notice how I still have this sustained. Alright, no big deal. No big deal at all. Alright, so let's take those first 4 measures kind of slow. You can see what's going on. Alright, so kind of like some call and answers going on there. Now, where things get hairy is in this 4th measure, where you have this. Alright, what they want is they want both these notes, the F and an A. Alright, now you're going to move from the F to the C. Alright, so notice how you have to read both lines at one time. You have to read the bottom line, which is just quarter notes, and then you got to read the top line, which is a little bit different rhythm, right? But when you put them together, what you end up getting is 1, 2, and 3, and. Alright, if you look at it, it even looks like that in the music. Alright, so let's get that melody in our head for those first 2 lines. Here we go. No big deal, no big deal. Alright, moving on. We're on the 3rd line right here. Alright, so you have very similar, just a couple of ideas that call and answer and kind of establish this nice little melody. Now, in the 4th line down, that's where you're going to move a little bit. You have Alright, let's try that again. 2nd and 3rd, 3rd and 4th line. Here we go. Real small. 2, 3. Nothing crazy. Now, this is ABA form. What am I talking about when I'm saying ABA form? What I mean is that in music we have different forms for music, and this is an ABA in which you have the first 2 lines, which are the A section, the second set of 2 lines, line 3 and 4, they're the B section, and then a recap of what they did in the first 2 lines. So A, B, A. Alright? So you have exactly the same music in that what is it, 5th and 6th line that you have in the 1st and 2nd. So ABA form. So let's play the whole thing, and we'll do a playthrough. That way you can play with me. Let's turn on the metronome as well. Here we go. Let's slow it down just a hair. That might be a little bit fast. There we go. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3. crazy. Nothing crazy. You can do this. If you have any questions, let me know. And if not, I will look forward to hearing you play it. All right. I'm going to turn this thingy on.